Priya,
Wait.
what did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Put your glasses on.
Priya, can I see your glasses, babe?
Show Dad.
Show Dad. Did the Easter Bunny bring you some glasses? There you go. Yeah, put them on. Oh, so pretty.
Here, can I help you? Oh, there.
Oh.
Come get the froggy.
So cool.
I'm good.